I'm going to show you how to publish your ebook, paperback, and hardcover through Kindle Direct Publishing in about 10 minutes. We're moving fast, so if you want a slower step-by-step version, I linked the deep dive tutorial of this video in the description. Now before you jump into the first step, if you want to supercharge the book you're getting ready to publish, grab my free bestseller book launch checklist when you subscribe to my email newsletter at dalelinks.com/checklist. You'll get a plan of what to do before, during, and after your launch, along with an 8-part email series to help build more momentum around your book. Now, for this KDP upload, have your manuscript files, covers, metadata, pricing, and ISBNs ready before you start. I linked my free book metadata sheet in the description if you want a simple way to keep everything organized and efficient. From your bookshelf, select Create New Title or Series, then select Create Ebook. I recommend starting with the ebook because KDP carries over most of that information into the paperback and hardcover setup. Enter your title and subtitle exactly as they appear on your cover and inside your manuscript. If your book is part of a series, add or create the series details. For the edition number, leave it blank unless this is a second edition, third edition, or a major revision. Now enter your author name and any approved contributors. Paste in your book description and clean it up with KDP's formatting tools. Under publishing rights, select whether you own the copyright or whether the book is public domain. If you created the book and own the rights, choose that first option. Under primary audience, disclose whether your book includes sexually explicit images, language, or cover content. Set the reading age only if it applies, like with children's books or young adult books. Choose your primary marketplace. Now this doesn't limit where your book can sell, it just tells KDP which region to use as your main pricing base. Next, choose up to 3 categories that accurately fit your book. Think of categories like placing your book on the right digital shelf. For ideas, check the product details of comparable books in your niche. Now under keywords, fill in the 7 keyword slots. You can use more than one word in each slot, and each slot gives you up to 50 characters. Use keyword phrases readers might actually search for. For ideas, start typing a phrase into Amazon and watch what it auto-suggests. Or use premium tools like Publisher Rocket or Novel Report to research and select the right keywords and categories for your book. For release timing, choose whether to publish now or set up a Kindle ebook pre-order. KDP lets you schedule ebook pre-orders up to a year in advance, but you need the final file ready and uploaded at least 72 hours before launch. Click Save and Continue. On the Kindle ebook content page, upload your manuscript. I recommend using an EPUB file because it usually gives you a cleaner result with fewer formatting surprises. Under Digital Rights Management, KDP asks whether you want DRM applied to your ebook. This locks your ebook to select e-reading devices. Disabling DRM allows customers the ability to download the EPUB or PDF version of your book. Now, upload your ebook cover. KDP accepts JPEG or TIFF files, though most authors use JPEG. If you don't have a professional cover, I strongly recommend getting one, though KDP does offer a remedial cover creator tool should you need it. For AI-generated content, KDP wants to know whether you used AI to generate text, images, or translations. AI-assisted work like brainstorming, outlining, or grammar help is different from AI-generated content. If you're unsure what to check, contact KDP support before guessing. Launch the previewer and review your ebook across different devices and display settings. Check your table of contents, links, spacing, and any quality issues KDP flags on the right-hand side. If something needs fixed, correct the original file, upload it again, and relaunch the previewer. For the Kindle ebook ISBN, you can leave it blank because Amazon assigns an ASIN. If you use an ISBN, each format needs its own number. For accessibility features, answer based on whether your ebook includes interior images with alternative text or extended descriptions. Click Save and Continue. On the Rights and Pricing page, decide whether to enroll in KDP Select. It gives your ebook access to Kindle Unlimited and promotional tools, but requires 90 days of Amazon exclusivity. Some authors try it for the first 90 days, then decide whether to stay or publish wide. For territories, select all territories if you own worldwide rights. This means if you wrote, own, or produce the content, you have the right to distribute it everywhere you want. For pricing, KDP gives you a 35% and 70% royalty. In the US, the 70% royalty usually applies to ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99 and includes a small delivery fee based on your file size. Set your main price review the regional pricing, and adjust any awkward converted prices. Once everything looks good, click Publish your Kindle ebook. After you publish your Kindle ebook, KDP should prompt you to start your paperback. Select Start Your Paperback Now. A lot of the metadata from your ebook carries over, but still review everything before moving forward. For categories, choose 1 to 3 print-specific categories that accurately fit your paperback. Same rules before. Put the book where readers would naturally expect to find it. Also, you can keep the same keywords or update them with better paperback-focused phrases. Also, answer whether your paperback is a low-content book or a large print book. Low-content books includes journals, notebooks, and planners. Large print books are formatted for visually impaired readers. For most fiction and nonfiction paperbacks, you'll leave both unchecked. For the publication date, only fill that in if the book was previously published somewhere else. For release timing, publish the paperback right away or schedule it for a future date. Unlike ebook pre-orders, your paperback product page does not go live until the scheduled release date. Click Save and Continue. On the paperback content page, choose your ISBN option. Unlike Kindle ebooks, your paperback needs an ISBN. Use KDP's free ISBN if you only plan to publish that paperback on KDP. If you want to use the same paperback through Ingram Spark, Drafted Digital, Lulu, or another print platform, bring your own ISBN instead. Make sure the ISBN and imprint match your registration exactly, keystroke for keystroke. Now choose the print options your files were built for, including ink, paper, trim size, bleed, and cover finish. Upload your paperback manuscript as a print-ready PDF. KDP accepts other file types, but PDF is the safest option for print books because it locks your formatting in place. Then upload your paperback cover as a print-ready PDF. The ebook cover will not work here because a paperback cover needs the front cover, spine, back cover, trim, and bleed built into one complete file. Now answer the AI-generated content disclosure the same way you did for the ebook unless something changed with the paperback files. Launch the print previewer and check the cover placement, spine alignment, margins, page breaks, and any quality issues KDP flags on the left. If something looks wrong, fix the original file, upload the corrected PDF, and launch the previewer again. After you approve the preview, KDP will show you your base cost. You do not pay that upfront for regular custom orders. KDP takes the print cost out of the sale. KDP also gives you the option to order a proof copy during this step. A proof copy lets you check the physical book before it goes live, but it includes a watermark and isn't meant for resale or marketing. Click Save and Continue. On the paperback rights and pricing page, select all territories if you own worldwide rights. Set your main price, then review the regional pricing. Pay attention to prices that include VAT because the customer-facing price may look different in some regions. KDP also offers expanded distribution for paperbacks only, but the royalty is lower and the reach is limited. If you want wider reach, better royalties, and additional print options, look into platforms closer to the source like Ingram Spark. Otherwise, expanded distribution can work as a simple extra option through KDP. Once everything looks good, click Publish Your Paperback Book. After you publish your paperback, KDP should prompt you to start your hardcover. Select Start Your Hardcover Now. Much like the paperback setup, most of your metadata carries over. Do a quick check and make any updates you need before clicking Save and Continue. Hardcover setup is similar to paperback, but there are a few important differences. First, your hardcover needs its own ISBN. You can use a free KDP ISBN, or you can bring your own. If you bring your own, remember to match it keystroke for keystroke. Now choose your hardcover print options, including ink and paper type, trim size, bleed settings, and cover finish. Hardcover has 5 trim sizes compared to 16 for paperback, so make sure your interior file matches one of the available sizes. If your paperback trim size is not available for hardcover, you'll need to reformat the interior for the hardcover. Upload your hardcover manuscript as a print-ready PDF, then upload your hardcover cover as a print-ready PDF. Your paperback cover will not work here because hardcover books require different dimensions and larger bleed areas. Answer the AI-generated content disclosure the same way you did for the ebook and paperback unless something changed with the hardcover files. Launch the print previewer and check the hardcover carefully. Audit the entire book for quality issues or any flags provided in the left side panel. After you approve the preview, KDP will show your base print cost. Click Save and Continue. Now, on the hardcover rights and pricing page, select all territories if you own worldwide rights. Set your main price, review the regional pricing, and adjust anything that looks off. Near the bottom of this final step, KDP gives you the option to request a proof copy before publishing. Now, I highly recommend ordering a proof or author copy to be sure you like the final product. Once everything looks good, click Publish Your Hardcover Book. Within the next 1 to 3 business days, you should get an email notification when each of your 3 types of books are live on the Amazon Marketplace. Should you not hear anything, reach out to support through the Contact Us link in the bottom of your dashboard. Now that you know how to publish your ebook, paperback, and hardcover through KDP, watch my full KDP review next. I'll break down what Amazon does well, where it falls short, and how KDP fits into your publishing plan. And if this tutorial moved too fast, watch the slower step-by-step version where I walk you through everything in a more granular detail. I'll see you in either video.